ProvenanceWidgets is an open-source library of modular UI control elements such as range sliders, select drop-downs, and checkbox groups. This library tracks the recency and frequency of a user's provenance and presents them back to the user via dynamically overlaid visualizations. Let me show you how. Consider this range slider. If I interact with it a few times, by changing the ranges, our library will add visual sense at the top showing an aggregated summary of what has happened so far. By default, the color corresponds to recency and the height corresponds to frequency. Clicking on that little footprints icon reveals a detailed temporal evolution, showing which ranges have been selected so far and when. I can filter a subset of these selections by brushing the y-axis. I can also revisit any selection by simply clicking on the points or the rectangles corresponding to that selection. Let's take another example. This is a single select dropdown. If during the course of analysis I end up selecting different cities such as New York, Rome, and London, the library can visually tell me each option's interaction recency and frequency. In the detailed view, it can tell me exactly when I selected a particular option. Here, it looks like London was consistently selected throughout the analysis and Istanbul was not selected at all. Just like before, I can filter my interaction provenance using this range slider and revisit any state by clicking on the rectangle representing that state. ProvenanceWidgets supports a variety of UI controls like single sliders, multi-select dropdowns, radio button groups, checkbox groups, and text inputs. The library is open-sourced and available at github.com/provenancewidgets. We hope our library helps application developers build custom provenance-aware systems with ease.